I'm Deanna Gunn and I'm a digital illustrator. I offer digital illustrations and paintings of characters mainly, usually in fictional settings or fantasy settings. My style is quite dramatic in terms of the posing and composition and lighting, but I like to use really bright colours, so it's quite striking. I was mostly inspired by video games and cartoons that I would watch, but ever since then I realised that stories are so important to me and other people, and so I wanted to be involved in making them. The focus is always on the characters, because without characters and people we wouldn't be caring about the stories that are happening. But we only care about the characters because of the stories that are happening, and showing that visually through design or emotion, lighting, anything to make it atmospheric and believable. It's my focus on storytelling and all that. Currently I'm working on making my artwork full-time through my business Serapheir, which is the username I use online on places like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm illustrating for people in creative companies, producing my own merch and prints for sale online and at expos, such as Armageddon Expo, running my own store online, and offering tutorials online, as well as working on my own webcomic, which releases regularly.